guys, the Van Hagen twins here, back with another video, you guys. And today,
We are going to be building a LEGO fidget spinner.
spins like a regular fidget spinner, but it's completely, I say, different from the other ones. This one is really completely different from the other ones also.
Yeah, I swear it has studs, but this one, we just put these for a design.
That was the first fidget spinner ever, and this is our last fidget spinner.
Oh yeah, there's. So if you know what a fidget spinner is, it's this little spinny thing, and
it's for kids with
ADHD. They basically just do they fidget with some things like here's axle bar, they spin it.
So kids with ADHD, you can make this at home. Or kids without ADHD, do anything you want, you
Or
guys.
see our last videos where we made this and add another fidget spinners.
And see what's the easiest one.
You know, this looks like a weight bar.
Okay, no wasting time now. Okay, I have to disassemble it, you guys. So guys, these are one of the hardest pieces to find. Like, not all of them, but
yeah, really hard. You should see our last videos. You should subscribe to our channel
if you want, you guys, because I don't want to be greedy.
If you like this video, subscribe. You could comment down below. If you comment down below, you get a shout out,
you guys.
You get a shout out. So,
first piece you'll be needing is this. It's with 2 axle bar holders and 3 holes. Now
it looks like
now you need
a axle bar.
Now you put it in the middle, you guys. Remember. Now you can spin it. But wait, it will fall down.
You know, we always use that. We should use a different one.
It will always fall in the ground or something like that.
If you watch this whole video, show it to your friends, families, or anyone, any relatives.
You don't have to, you guys.
Yeah, it's just it's your opinion, guys.
Now you only use axle bar holders. Remember, optional. Now you put them on both sides.
Show the camera.
I know.
Wait, did you already do it?
Yeah.
Don't put it too tight or else it won't spin. Okay, show it.
Can't see it, you guys.
Invisibility. No, you can't see it now. But the next piece you'll be needing.
Are these like axle bar holders and these things? We don't know what some of the pieces
It could be any color, any color you want.
Wait, I forgot about something, you guys. This third piece. This is optional.
This is a 1x1 little cylinder.
No,
it doesn't have to be gray.
Just put it on a fidget spinner and then you're done. You can decorate, but me and Christian are going to show you how to decorate it if you want to decorate it. Like, okay, remember we showed you these pieces, you guys? Just put them in the axle bar holding things. And yeah, like that. Now you can
sort of see, yeah.
But we're not done yet. Now you need these things. Really helpful.
Yeah.
We put them on the
we sit down.
Axle holes.
We set it, but this time it only has 2 holes, not 3. So here you go again.
Thanks, Christian. And look how it spins, you guys. Really good.
At this point, you can put any design, anything you want. But my brother is going with his design, so he got this chair piece from a car.
Chair pieces for each. It's for a car, so
no,
it's
4 for each. 2 for 1, 2 for another.
Guys, sorry for making you confused. You put them like one. You put put like a regular side, another one you're gonna put it on the other side. And look, you guys, it will look like this. Repeat on the same side. Okay. Now you put this right here, and
Repeat it.
now wait, you guys, I did
A little mistake.
So you guys, how are you doing? He just had a piece of turkey. Okay.
There's a bread piece from here. Look, see? No,
Okay,
I
now
just
you guys made it.
If you like the video, like it up, subscribe, comment, and hit the
Bell icon. Smash it with the hammer, you guys.
And peace.